Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to illustrate how you can use 3M to look up your ICD-10-PCS procedure codes. So to start, make sure once you log into 3M, for the product on this drop-down menu, we're going to hit Code Finder. This is, again, just if you want to look up the PCS codes. Of course, if you're coding a real inpatient case where you're going to code the diagnosis and the PCS procedure, we would do the DRG finder. But in this example, we're just going to look at just PCS code. So I'm going to go to Code Finder. Once you do that, enter the age. Let's just do a random age of 40. And we're going to hit Continue. So on this screen, if you wanted to look up a diagnosis, you can do that, which we're not. We're just going to add the PCS procedure only. So type Add Procedure. And here you can look it up. You can try by the procedure name or by the root operation. Again, I recommend you always start your PCS coding by the root operation. So let's say that we're doing appendectomy, right? An open appendectomy. So here, my root operation would be resection, right? Resection is taking out a complete body part. So I'm going to type in resection, then I'm going to hit number 1. And now it's asking me, was it an excision or a resection? So excision, remember, is just part of a body part. Resection is the entire thing. So I'm going to hit 2 for other. And now it's asking me if it's any one of these areas, which appendix is not there. So I'm going to hit A, spell body part. And now in this screen, I'm going to type appendix. And then I'm going to hit the 1. And ours was open, so I'm going to hit the 2 for other specified. And now I'm going to hit 1 for open. No, I do not want to code administration of adhesion barrier, so I'm going to hit 2. And there's my code. Now, if we want to add procedure and look it up by the procedure name, if you typed appendectomy, we're going to hit 1. And we can hit 2 here, other specified. And we're going to hit open. No, we don't want to do the barrier. And let's look and see if we have the same code. So we do. Both codes are the same. So again, you can use 3M to go in by the root operation or by the name of the procedure. Now, sometimes going in by the name of the procedure is going to take you to the next screen of choosing the root operation if the procedure could have different ones. So as a coder, it's very important that you're fully aware of the root operations and how they are applicable to the procedure that you're coding. But again, just play around with 3M. It's a great resource, a great tool, and I hope it helps your PCS coding